Hey beauties, it is me, your favorite girl, Jessica Nicole. And y'all already know what it is. When y'all see me start off looking like this, y'all know exactly what's about to happen. I'm about to get ready with you guys. Just a little quick speed through of me getting ready. One of y'all came in the store and was like, I'm not putting out much content ever since I got this job, and I could easily record while I'm getting ready for work. So I'm gonna try this because sometimes I am in a rush. That's why I go on live, because it's easier for me to just keep going. But I'm gonna do this today, get ready for work, and just go through the motions of me getting ready. And you guys, it's gonna be a really quick video. But before I get into this video, before I shout out my gang, I wanted to give you guys some information that might help some of you guys out. Your girl, your favorite girl, me, Jessica Nicole, is having a makeup class on May 19th, Sunday, May 19th at 9 a.m. at the Morphe store in Roosevelt Field. I only have 18 slots, well, actually 16 slots, and I need you guys to hurry up and run in there and buy your tickets. So the way that you can buy your tickets, you go into the Morphe store in Roosevelt Field, you let them know that you are coming in for Jessica Nicole's class. They will let you know that you have to purchase a $50 gift card, which goes towards product. When the class is over, you can buy product, you can buy my favorites, you can buy whatever you're interested in. That $50 gift card goes towards product. So you can come into the store, buy buy the gift card, $50 gift card, and they will write down your name, your phone number, and your information. Stick it onto your gift card, and we will keep your card in store until May 19th when the class is over. I really want you guys to be there. I want to see you guys. I want to meet you guys. So that's why I'm telling you guys this. I did announce it on Instagram, but you know, I have to let my beauties know on YouTube in person. So hopefully I get to see you guys on May 19th. You know I gotta shout out my gang. I love y'all so much. I'm so happy to be back. I feel so good to be back. By the way, if I look burnt right now, okay, that is because I did get burnt when I was in Cancun. I got burnt up. My forehead is really burnt as well. Look at that skin. But it's alright. It's peeling. I look really dark. My chest is really light because my chest did not get tan because it wasn't the tanning day. But that's besides the point. Let's get into getting ready. Slamming them fast at the bar tops, drinking them straight with no rest. Obviously, I got a problem. Okay, beauties, I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. Please do not forget that I have a class coming on May 19th at 9 a.m. Please let me know if you have any issues with going to Roosevelt Film Mall to get your ticket, your $50 gift card. If there is any issues, please let me know so we can work something else out. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social medias. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.